Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Reader's Workshop. Let's read our teaching point to see what we're going to be learning today. Teaching point. Readers don't let longer words slow them down. Every word gets one tap. So remember, now we are super readers, and we're going to practice using pointer power. But we have to be careful when we use pointer power. Sometimes we have small words, and sometimes we have longer words in our book. But just because a word is longer, it doesn't mean that we give it extra taps. Words only get one tap, no matter how long or short they are. So I'm going to take my pointer finger and I'm going to practice. Now this word here is smaller, and this word is cat. Do you see how I only gave it one tap? Because I know that is just one word. Now this word over here is really long, but I know that it's just one word, so I'm not going to go cupcake. I'm just going to do cupcake. One tap, because a word only gets one tap, even if it's small or if it's long. So today we are going to practice reading a book together. We are only going to give one tap for every word that we see. If the word is short, we give one tap. If you see the word is long, we still only give one tap. We know that words do not have spaces, so they only get one pointer finger tap. So let's reread our book, The Flying Monkey, and only give one finger tap for every word we see, no matter if it is short or long. And always remember, if you make a mistake and give more than one finger tap, you can go back and reread it and fix it. So I'm going to take my pointer and I'm going to look at my story. I see my monkey and he's flying over the houses. And I'm going to start with my pointer. My balloon went up over the houses. Was that right? But I think for the long word houses, I think I did two finger taps. And that's not right because houses is one long word. So I'm going to reread and try to fix it because I know that each word only gets one finger tap, even if it's short or if it's long. Let me try again. My balloon went up over the houses. Wow, great job. Remember, only one finger tap for each word. Let's try the next page. I noticed that the monkey is in his balloon and he's over the farm now. My balloon went up over the farms. Good job. We're only giving one finger tap for each word. And I know when a new word begins because I see this space. There's a finger space between each word. So that means I stop and each word gets a new finger tap. Oh, now I notice that the monkey's in the hot air balloon over the trees. So let me get my pointer ready for one tap. My balloon went up over the trees. Good job. Only one finger tap for each word, no matter how long or how short the word is. Now I see the monkey. He's over some hills. So let's try giving one finger tap for each word. My balloon went up over the hills. Great job. Only one finger tap for each word that we see in our story. Now I see the monkey over some mountains flying. So I'm going to take my pointer finger and point one time for each word. My balloon went up over the mountains. And mountains is a very long word, but I knew to only give it one finger tap because there are no finger spaces in the word. So I know that it's just one word. All right, now let's look at this page. I see the monkey is high, high, high over the clouds. So let me take my pointer and give it only one tap for each word. My balloon went up over the clouds. Great job. One tap for each word. Now I see the monkey is over a big, 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 beautiful rainbow. So I'm going to take my pointer finger and remember to only point one time. My balloon went up over the rainbow. Uh-oh, I think I made a mistake. I gave rainbow 2 finger taps, but there's no finger space here. So rainbow only gets 1 tap because it's just one word. Oh, but I can fix this mistake. I'm going to take my pointer again and I'm going to try again. My balloon went up over the rainbow. Good job. Only 1 tap for that word because it's just one word, not 2. All right, let's read the last page. I noticed the monkey went down, and I'm going to take my pointer and I'm going to point one time. My balloon went down, down, down. Great job. Only 1 point for each word. We did such a great job using our pointer power to only give 1 finger tap for each word that we see. Remember, if a word is short, you give 1 finger tap. If a word is long, we still only give 1 finger tap. In a word, all of the letters are together. There are no spaces. So your activity today is to record yourself reading a book and giving each word just 1 finger tap. You can use this book, I will leave you the link, or any book that you have in your house that is on your reading level that's easy for you to read so you can give 1 finger tap for each of those words. We cannot wait to see all of your great work today.